So I found a way to put in one prompt and then immediately get 8 different 15-second commercials back. I work in commercial advertising and I'm usually looking for new ways to ideate visual styles and story concepts. The nice thing about this workflow is it's a great starting place. Once a client hands you roughly what they're thinking, or if you have a start of an idea in your head, this is a great way to get ideas going and quickly start to see different visual options. I find a lot of times these AI workflows don't usually come up with the ideas I end up using, but they spark an idea in me that ends up making it into the actual final product. Hey, so I'm just going to show you guys the walkthrough of our storyboard ideation boards. Um, Essentially, this is just a Weavy board that uses a style reference and a character or product sheet to push out a bunch of storyboards. How it works is right here, we have a prompt and a creative brief. The creative brief just goes in as a variable to the prompt. So I have this like preset language right here, and then there's just a variable that is shot in right here. This is just made this way so that the only thing you have to change is the creative brief. The system prompt is telling the system how to work. All these shoot into a language model, which is Google Gemini running right here. And so the system prompt is telling Gemini, hey, you are an award-winning creative director, and it goes on to explain what that means and how it should write things. And then this is saying, hey, we want to write 8 different prompts for this creative brief, which I have Coca-Cola in here just as an example. And then what the LLM does is it writes 8 different ideas, concepts for boards, and then it separates all of them with an asterisk. And all that asterisk is doing is telling it where to split the different ideas. So you have 8 different ideas that are then split up by this array node, and that shoots into different lists. The lists are then run, or the different prompts, the 8 different prompts are run into storyboards that are Nano Banana. So Nano Banana just takes the prompt. The prompt is telling it, hey, make a 3x3 grid of images that are a storyboard for a commercial. Then this set of images can be run into an instance of ChatGPT that is then prompted by these prompts. Once again, a system prompt explaining how to write Cdance 2.0 prompts, and then a prompt that just says, write a Cdance 2.0 prompt. Okay, so all that runs into ChatGPT, and then you can either copy that, or you can just run Cdance right here, which if I click run anyway, it's running the new storyboard I just gave it, but this is an old one I did. You know, you get some interesting shots, some angles, and I'm just going to go down here and show you how these operate real fast. So basically, I have a style reference area that I took some shots from different Pinterest boards I thought were cool, and then basically told Gemini, turn this into one mosaic. Just that way I could run the mosaic into the prompt up here, and then I also run it into my character reference or product reference shot. And so this is just a prompt telling Gemini, hey, make a 3x3 grid of the character and the product. And then I take the character, I take the style, I run it into the LLM up here so that it's not only taking from the prompt and the creative brief I gave it, but it's also taking from visual reference to understand what product we're talking about. And then also the types of styles we're interested in for this ad. I then take all the character references, and those also get shot into Gemini. So it knows, you know, this is me in an ad, in a Coca-Cola ad. So you can put any character you want in there. I'm just using myself as an example. Yeah. And then at the end, you get, 8 different ads that are different ideas. And I can splice those on the end here, but that's the gist of it. You get 8 different storyboards pretty immediately. It's giving you different visual concepts, different writing concepts, and obviously the more you change the brief and the style reference, you're going to get different results from this.